In this video, I'm going to show you a house that is straight out of a fairy tale. This house is like a castle from a Disney movie. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. Thank you for tuning in. Let me share my screen and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, this home is just under $20 million. It is 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, 14,000 square feet, little over 14,000, 14,100. It has been listed by Cathie Messina and Joan of Sotheby's. So let's dive right into these pictures and let me show you this incredible property. Right here, this is the swimming pool you see down here at the bottom. This is a large fountain water feature, and here is the gorgeous house that looks just like a castle out of a fairy tale movie. All right, so let's move on with the pics. There's one of the fountains. I'm going to go kind of quick. There's a lot of pictures, but you guys will see. Look at that property, guys. There's a guest house over here. Look at the perfect symmetry in all of the landscaping. This house is incredible. There's a private gate down here for your driveway, and that leads up to the circle right there. So it's a gate behind the gate located in the Sherwood Country Club Estates. Okay, look at the fantastic detail in the floors, in the ceilings. Look at that formal living room. Look at the chandeliers and all the detail in the ceilings. There's painted ceilings also. Look at that dining room, 2 chandeliers in that dining room. Double island kitchen. I'm sure you got 2 dishwashers, separate built-in refrigerator and freezer, all top of the line. The views are just spectacular from this property. It's at the top of the hill on Stafford Road. So there's nobody looking down at you. This is the best deal in probably all of Southern California right now. And I know I'm speaking about a $20 million house, but there's other houses that I could show you that are on the market for more than this. Look at the painted ceilings beneath the chandeliers. That you're not going to find that anywhere else. And for $20 million, you could not build this house today. So this is a fantastic steal. And you know this was built with the finest workmanship, the finest craftsmanship. Look at all these details that I'm going through. Incredible what they've put into the floors, the walls, the ceilings. It's just spectacular. The house is immaculate. Imagine waking up here every single day and seeing your view and coming out. There's the spa-like bathrooms. Everything is just gorgeous. Top of the line, everything. There's your beautiful pool with your view, infinity pool, your garden. Look at that, walking through your gardens. Could you imagine every single day, wake up, have your coffee, take a stroll through your garden, smell your flowers, drift through your beautiful lawns in beautiful Westlake Village, California, where it's sunny almost every single day of the year. Look at the landscaping. Imagine those are the grounds of your property. You're not going to find a property like this anywhere else in Southern California for $20 million. This is the best deal in town. Look at the gorgeous fountain, the statues. Statues are adorned all over the property. Just a gorgeous, phenomenal property. Look at the detail. Everything is just perfect. No expenses spared. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If you are a qualified buyer that is interested in a property like this, I have the connections and I can absolutely get you in to see this property. Give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd love to get to know you, have a meeting. We can find out if this is the kind of property that you're looking for. There are a few other properties here in town that are nice, but I feel like this one is the most spectacular property on the market right now for $20 million. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass in Westlake Village. If you like information about real estate, like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.